In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the language in the Terabox app. Now, let me tell you, unlike some apps, Terabox doesn't have a dedicated language option inside the settings. But don't worry because we are going to show you some quick workaround using your mobile device settings. So, if you are using an Android, I want you to go to the settings and scroll down until you find system. From here, you have the option to choose the languages and input. And of course, by default, I am using the English language. Now, if you prefer to use a different language, all I have to do is super simple. Click the other languages. Now, you can choose from any of your preferred language, from French, Indonesian, Portuguese, and a lot more. For example, we're going to use Spanish, okay? Click the apply language right here. It's super simple, right? Now, make sure your preferred language is at the top because this makes it the default language for apps that use the system language like Terabox. In my case, my default language or my preferred language is English. I'm going to click the three horizontal lines right here. I'm going to apply it. Okay? Now, all I have to do is restart the Terabox app because after changing your device language, the app should now display your selected language. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to change a language in the Terabox app. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.